So this is a weather balloon. I bought that at the store for $1.50. Inside's a golf ball, and they glow at night. Isn't that sweet? Now we're gonna dim the lights, and I wanna see if I can get a grunt out of here or something. We're gonna make the world's neatest gyroscope right here. Now can you imagine making one of those with your kid? You say, oh, that's cool. And from a distance, this just looks like heck when you're seeing it down. What in the world is that, a UFO? Listen to that thing. And if you do it well, I'm too clumsy to do it, but you can rotate this balloon and the rotation will still stay in the same plane, like the gyroscope on the jet plane. You know, there it is. I finally got it. Isn't that sweet? Okay, that's cool. But what kind of scientific thinking would I have a 10-year-old do with this? That ball requires energy to keep going around. Where is it getting the energy to do that? Anybody? Anybody? You? Me? Yeah. Coming out of my hands, isn't it? But it's coming from my arms, and it came from inside me for something I ate.
From the sun.
There you go. This goes all the way back to the sun if I take the time to figure it out. Isn't that amazing? Well, it's even more amazing for me, for a 10-year-old, said, well, by the way, that energy that's coming out now, you carried it around with you today, and you brought it in here, and you're letting it out right now. But when I saw this, I was just enamored with, a $1.50. Do you think kids will be playing with this in the front yard and discussing it? Yeah.
This is a special announcement to all my friends at Midnight Science Club, and I don't get to say things like this very often, but we had probably the greatest honor given to us recently. We were invited to do a Friday evening discourse, that's a speech, at the Royal Institution of Great Britain. And if you'd like to see it and experience it, go to the Royal Institution of Great Britain YouTube page, check it out.